'Twas the night before Christmas, not a sound had been heard. For weeks, no ukulele, completely absurd. There'd been banging and crashing and ceilings brought down, but a distinct lack of music and no strumming sound. The kitchen is finished, looks good I must say, so getting ukes down off hooks ready to play. Carlers, fanners, bass ukes and flights, acoustic, electric, they beg, play me tonight. A high G, a low G, they will all have a play. Maybe Rudolph, red-nosed reindeer, pulling Santa's sleigh. So with any luck, ukuleles I'll pluck, and hoping quite soon normality will resume. With lessons, reviews and rambles to hear. Merry Christmas all and a Happy New Year. Shamai, I just wanted to say a quick hello and explain where I've been. So this is Rachel's Christmas Rambles, and I think it's Rachel's Rambles number 8. So I did mention in one of the recent videos we've been having some building work done and a new kitchen fitted. Is almost finished. In fact, I think the plumber's downstairs at the minute, hopefully connecting our taps up. Anyway, I haven't had COVID. Thank you very much though for all the messages from people checking I'm okay. So what's been happening? Well, school was a little bit manic right up until the end of term. It was a good end of term. We didn't do all the big concerts and performances we would normally do, but we did manage to go around and visit a few old folks' homes and entertain them for a bit. And we had the ukulele club that was running right up until the end of Christmas, so that was really nice. And I managed to find a very deserving pupil for the Bat King tenor ukulele that I wanted to give away. I got all the kids to write me little letters explaining what the ukulele has meant to them, and there was one very obvious winner. So I'm very glad to say he now has a new ukulele for Christmas. Who knows what's going to happen after Christmas in terms of school? We're just playing it by ear at the minute. Wales itself hasn't actually been hit too hard recently. But as I say, I have no idea what's going to happen after the Christmas holidays. So 2021, a year of ups and downs, I suppose. We've both had our 50th birthdays this year, so we had a lovely big party in the summer, and it was just so nice actually seeing people in person again. I've been very lucky. I've had lots and lots of ukulele related things this year, including the Reza tenor I had for my birthday, the 2 Fanner ukuleles that I'd ordered myself, which have recently arrived. We're looking at sort of amps and cabs and pedals. Oh, Lanakai purple ukulele, Lava purple ukulele, and of course I got sent the Enya Nova U. So lots and lots of awesome ukuleles for 2021. Of course, that brilliant trip that me and Jude took at the end of the summer to the uke room to visit the lovely Matt Stead. We had an awesome day there. That really was a highlight. And of course, having that really nice jam down in Porthcawl on the beachfront was another really, really nice ukulele day. Lots of going to the beach to meet up with the cool hand ukes over the summer as well. So, you know, just trying to sort of make the best of what we've been able to do for this year, really. So the Ukulaliens channel reaching 100,000 subscribers. I still can't get over that. But more importantly, sort of the last couple of months we've been able to play in school. The Ukulaliens club has been up and running, and that really has made school an awful lot better. Couple of other things that spring to mind as well. Obviously using my other music room, the new YouTube studio downstairs. My husband's still working from home in there at the moment, but I'm chucking him out of there next week. And also starting off Show Us Your Ukes. I've got there's an episode I'm in the middle of editing at the minute, and another one, so there's 2 more of those still to come out. But remember, please feel free, show us your ukes, send me the picture, and it'd be awesome to highlight just as many wonderful ukulele collections from around the world as I can. So again, thank you first of all for all the support, both here on Ukulele Wales and on the Ukulaliens, and thank you for all those messages as well of people just checking that I was okay. I really do appreciate those, and it's wonderful to really start to get to know some of my subscribers from around the world, whether it's because of Show Us Your Ukes or because of Facebook or because of email. I really, really appreciate all of that. You would never believe. So hopefully back to normal, or as normal as I can be here, in other words, we haven't got a lot of building work and strange men in and out of the house all the time, and I can get back to playing a lot more ukulele. More videos coming next week. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below, give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.